Specialty Mustang to take a look at it. Unique Specialty and Classics 2010 Roush 427R Mustang Coupe. One owner, actual miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Kona blue metallic in color. Of course, the 4.6 liter 3-valve Roush charged and intercooled V8 underneath the hood, paired up with the 5-speed manual transmission. This is definitely a fun car. Go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Of course, you have the Roush front fascia, rear fascia, front splitters you can see down there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this car, interior, every angle, top to bottom, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Roush 20-inch chrome wheels. Interior would be the charcoal and I would say kind of a bone or lighter gray suede inserts. Kind of similar to this exterior. It's kind of deceiving whether it's really kind of a gray, very light gray, or a white. Almost comes across just a really, really light shade of gray. Nice combo, really accents the interior very nicely. Of course, the Jack Roush stitched signature seats. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. Of course, all the modern amenities that you're going to get in a 2010 Mustang GT. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to see this in the still pictures also. Original Roush floor mats, Roush car cover. Of course, these had 435 horse, 400 pound-feet of torque. They also have a serialization number on them. I believe this is number 66 of the Mustang build, and we're going to get into that in just a second here. Slip around to the rear. Of course, the Roush exhaust. Here's your Roush rear fascia. And of course, the Roush wing. Remember, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, that phone number, 507-386-1726. You can see the car's pretty free of much of it. Dings or dents up and down the driver's side and the passenger side. A few little spots up front where it's been touched up. You can tell the previous owner's taken care of his car and touched up a little rock chip here or there. Basically, the majority of the miles on this car never been driven in inclement weather. The gentleman had a place in Minnesota and in Virginia, and it was a car that he drove back and forth between the two. Wanted to have a fun car to make the trip with when he did make it. So he bought this car brand new, and that's where the majority of the miles have come from. Airbag recall, he also stated he has had that completed, both sides, just so you know. All right, look at the interior. This would have power driver seat. Of course, power windows, power locks, mirrors, tilt cruise. This also has a shaker stereo system to it, driver's information center. Let's go ahead and take a look at the condition of this seat. Look at this, very little wear on that side, and also the bolster here. So you can tell the car hasn't had a lot of getting in and out of it. Like I said, when he got in this car and made his trips, he was going between Minnesota and Virginia. Of course, all the steering wheel controls for the radio, cruise control. And you'll be able to see every angle of this interior, front and back, in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Great sounding cars. All right, as you can see, miles, first of all, 47,285. Gauge is all working. No indicator lights for check engine, service, anything like that. That there is just the seatbelt light. Shaker stereo system in working order. Climate control, AC blowing cold. Rest of the dash, also nice shape. Listen to that nice deep throaty growl out of that 4.6 liter 3-valve. Slip back there and listen to it.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, hood pop. First of all, take a hood liner. See how clean that is. Like I said, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Of course, the intercooler tank, as well as the coolant tank. Roush actually designed that to look as factory as possible. It came from Ford, but it did not. That was added by Roush. All right, I was going to tell you about the serial number on this one. This particular one is 10-066. That's how the Mustang builds. So this is 10-066. If you look in the still pictures, you're going to see 10-067. Why those numbers don't match up is because, again, this is the Mustang build. So for all the Mustangs, it's 066. The one in the door is every Roush vehicle that was made. So this is an early build. There's only one other vehicle built before it that wasn't a Mustang. That is my understanding from the folks at Roush. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. A few little spots where it's been touched up. And again, a little over 40,000 miles. Clean Carfax, no accident indicated, what you'd expect. There you go. 2010 Roush 427R Coupe in Kona Blue Metallic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.